my name is Evan Brown, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to solve an equation with factoring. When you factor, you break down an equation to find out the factors, which means what multiplies back into the equation to equal 0. So we have the equation x cubed plus 4x squared equals 12x. So first off, it's not equal to 0, so we're going to have to make it equal to 0 by subtracting 12x from both sides. So now our new equation is x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x equals 0. Now, when you look at this equation, you can see that they all have something in common. They all have an x. So you can factor out the x by putting it outside of the parentheses. So now your equation is x parenthesis x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Now, to find the factors of this new equation, you have to figure out what adds up to get 4 but multiplies to get negative 12. So as you can see, 6 and negative 2 add up to get 4 and multiply out to get negative 12. So now you have x parentheses x plus 6 parentheses x minus 2. So those are your factors. But now to solve the equation, you have to equal out each one of those factors to 0. So you have x equals 0, and that's simple enough. That's how to solve that right there. So you know 0, you can plug back in up here, and it'll equal to 0. Then you have to do x plus 6, and to get it equal to 0, you have to subtract 6 from both sides. So now the answer is x minus 6. And you can plug that back in the equation, and it will equal out to 0. Now you have x minus 2 equals 0, so you'll obviously have to add 2 to both sides, and you'll get x equals 2, which again, you can plug back into the equation, and it will equal out to 0. So that is how to solve x cubed plus 4x squared equals 12x through factoring.